everyone, welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Today's recipe is, as you can see, we are going to make waffle pizza. It's a really unique and perfect combination to enjoy the waffle as well as pizza. So let's start. We will need 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. To that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, salt as per taste, and half tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of oil, you can also use butter, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now adding water, we want to make a smooth batter. So with the hand mixer I'm going to whisk it so that no lumps are left and I have smooth batter. So the batter is ready. I'm going to let it rest for 5 minutes and then I'm going to heat up my waffle maker. So I'm using this Cuisinart vertical waffle maker, which takes less counter space and its unique design. It's easy to pour spout to pour in the batter, and it distributes evenly to make perfect waffle all the time. So these plates evenly heat up the waffle and it cooks perfectly. It has 5 browning levels and indicator when it's ready. So I'm going to measure 1 cup of batter and then I'm going to pour it from the top so there is no spills whatsoever and no mess up. And the waffle maker is perfect. It won't spill over or it won't leak, so there is no mess to clean up. Now when the waffle is done, the indicator light will turn green and it will have a loud audible alert so that you can hear it anywhere. So it turned green and I'm going to open it up and show you how beautiful the waffle has turned. Wow, look at this. It's perfect, evenly spread batter, and I'm going to take it out and then going to clean up the edge. And here my veggies are ready that I'm going to use for the pizza. Now let's prepare the pizza sauce. So I'm going to use ketchup, roughly about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ketchup. To that I'm going to add chili garlic sauce, or you can use chili garlic paste, and then red chili flakes and oregano. Now mix everything well until it's nice and smooth. So here our pizza sauce is ready. So now let's take the waffle, and to that I'm going to apply some butter, and here I have mixed garlic and some chopped spring onion so that it's nice flavored crust. And then I'm going to apply the pizza sauce that we just made. Spread it evenly. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe for such new recipes. Now I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese on it and all my favorite toppings. I'm using bell peppers and chopped onions, then red bell pepper and some jalapeno and olives. You can add your favorite toppings to it, and I'm just going to add some more cheese on it, and this goes in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes. So after 5 to 7 minutes you can see the cheese has melted and it's all ready to be served. So now let's cut it up into the pieces. Now you can hear the crunch. It's really crunchy crust and it's really unique combination of waffle and pizza.